Let's take a look at this 2022 Winnebago Iluka Island Bed 4-berth motorhome. This motorhome is the best price in Australia. You only need a car license to drive, sleeps 4 people, has a big island bed, and has a separate shower and toilet. So please be quick because this one will not last long.